The best-selling portable fish finder isn't always the one that catches the most fish, and that's the truth no one tells you. A lot of these look the same, promise the same things, but once you're out on the water, the real differences show up. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best options that actually deliver. Product number 1, Lucky FFC 1108 Handheld. First up, the Lucky FFC 1108, a no-frills, budget-friendly fish finder that's been flying off the shelves with over 2,000 sold in the past month. At just $55, it's one of the most affordable options that still gives you solid core features. It's small, lightweight, and runs on batteries, making it perfect for kayak or shore fishing. If you want a simple, reliable tool to find fish in depth without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The sonar transducer can detect depth from 3 feet all the way down to 328 feet, which covers everything from shallow streams to deep lakes. It shows fish location, weeds, rocks, and even lets you switch between feet and meters. The 4-centimeter LCD screen isn't huge, but it's readable in sunlight thanks to the backlight, and the neck strap means you won't drop it while reeling in a catch. With 5 sensitivity levels, it works in both clear and murky water, something beginners often overlook. Now, some people complained about the lack of detailed fish size readings. It only gives general icons, not exact measurements. And honestly, the screen feels a bit basic compared to color models. But here's the thing, if you're just starting out or need a backup unit, that simplicity is actually a plus. You're not overwhelmed with data and it just works. This is perfect for you if you're a casual angler fishing from a kayak or the shore and want something easy to use without spending over $100. Skip this one if you need detailed mapping or color displays. For the price, it's a solid entry-level pick. Product number 2, Venterior Wireless Color TFT. Alright, that was a solid budget option. But if you're ready to step up, the Venterior Portable Fish Finder brings a big upgrade, especially with its wireless design. At $111, it's still reasonable, and over 1,000 have sold recently. The 2.6-inch color TFT screen is a game changer. You can actually see fish size, bottom contour, and water temperature in clear detail. No more guessing. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The wireless sensor means no more tangled cables. Just cast it out with your line up to 262 feet away, and it sends real-time data back to the screen. The 105-degree sonar beam covers a wide area, and it detects depth from 2.6 to 164 feet, ideal for lakes and coastal fishing. You also get fish alarms and 2 display modes, including a simulation mode to practice. The color screen is readable in sunlight if you switch to white background, which is a smart touch. Now, some users mentioned the sensor battery indicator can be glitchy when it's dry. It only shows accurate charge levels when submerged. That's annoying if you're trying to check battery life on land, but once it's in water, it works fine. Also, the app support is limited. It's standalone, no Bluetooth or phone integration. This is perfect for you if you want a wireless setup with color visuals and don't mind a slight learning curve. Skip this one if you need smartphone connectivity. For the features, it's a strong mid-range contender. Product number 3, Real Sonar iBobber Bluetooth. Now, if the Venterior's lack of app support bothered you, the Real Sonar iBobber takes a completely different approach. It's all about smart tech. At $121, it's pricier, but it connects via Bluetooth to your phone or even a smartwatch. Over 1,000 have sold, and for good reason. It's like having a fish finder in your pocket. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The iBobber gives you depth-tagged fish icons, water temperature, and bottom structure, all visualized on your phone screen. The app shows fish size, depth, and even sends strike alerts when fish are biting near docks or piers. With a 135-foot depth range and 10-plus-hour battery life, it's great for ice fishing, shore casting, or kayaking. You can log spots, mark waypoints, and review past trips, something no other model here offers. Now, some people complained about Bluetooth range dropping in bad weather or thick cover, and honestly, relying on your phone means one more thing to charge. If your battery dies, you lose the display. But for tech-savvy anglers, that trade-off is worth it for the data and convenience. This is perfect for you if you love tracking your fishing patterns and want a modern, app-driven experience. Skip this one if you prefer standalone devices or fish in remote areas without phone signal. It's not the cheapest, but it's the most connected. Product number 4, Usilea Handheld LCD. Alright, that was a high-tech pick. But let's get back to basics with the Usilea Handheld Fish Finder, another solid $57 option that punches above its weight. It looks similar to the Lucky model, but with a slightly larger 4.6cm screen and better build quality. It's been bought over 400 times and for good reason. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses a 200K Hz sonar frequency with a 45-degree beam angle, giving you accurate readings from 3 to 328 feet. It shows fish size, weeds, rocks, and even lets you save settings when powered off, a small but useful feature. The neck strap and AAA battery power make it super portable, and it works in both fresh and salt water. The backlight helps at dawn or dusk, which is when fish are most active. Now, some users said the screen can be hard to read in direct sunlight unless you angle it just right. And it doesn't have wireless, you're tethered by a cable. But for under $60, that's expected. The real win is the reliability and depth range, which matches models twice the price. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, no-nonsense fish finder for kayak or ice fishing. Skip this one if you hate cables or need color displays. It's a workhorse at a great price. Product number 5, Venterior Wired LCD. Finally, the Venterior Wired Fish Finder, another $55 option, but from a brand that's building a reputation for consistency. It's nearly identical to the Usilea in specs, 328-foot depth range, 45-degree beam, fish and bottom detection. But it comes with a 2-year warranty and 24/7 brand support, which sets it apart. The LCD shows fish size, depth, and bottom type, and the 5 sensitivity levels help filter out noise in choppy water. The neck strap and compact size make it easy to carry, and the 4 AAA batteries last for 5 hours. It's simple, effective, and backed by solid customer service. Now, some people wished it had a rechargeable battery instead of AAAs. It's one more thing to pack. And again, no wireless or color screen. But for the price and support, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you want reliability and good customer service without spending over $60. Skip this one if you need advanced features. It's a dependable backup or primary unit for serious anglers on a budget. So which one should you get? The Lucky and Venterior wired models are great for beginners. The Usilea offers a bit more screen space. The Venterior wireless adds color and freedom, and the Real Sonar iBobber is best if you love tech. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Real Sonar iBobber because the app integration and strike alerts give you a real edge. Avoid the cheapest, no-name knockoffs. They rarely last. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.